All right, guys, today is Friday, but before I begin, I want to thank everyone for all your well wishes while I was feeling sick. You guys, it's great to get, well wishes from you guys, shows you care. But anyways, I'm feeling a lot better today. But yes, once again, thank you guys for all the well wishes. But guess what, guys? It has arrived. It just came. So the part is here. I'm gonna open up the box, just contacted the garage, make sure somebody's there so they can install it. It cost me another 560 pesos. So the part and, well, the delivery pretty much almost costs just as much as the part. So anyways, let's open this up and let's see if it's the part or it's a box of rocks. So let's open this thing up. Make sure we got what I ordered. Alright, let me see if I can get this here. That little thing. Look at that. For a little thing like this, Kia couldn't ship this from Korea. Imagine that. Anyways, let's open it up. That's it, guys. That is it, right there. A little harness, a little wiring harness right there. A little part right there. So, anyways, it has arrived, and that is what I need. So I'm gonna call Grab and use Grab for the first time here, and head up to the Kia shop, get this installed, and hopefully cross our fingers that they diagnosed it correctly. And that's what I'm doing right now. All right, I am back in Kia land. Used to Grab guy, and you know what? I checked on a price yesterday. Grab from my place up to here, it was only $120. Now, for some reason today, Grab charged me $167. It said due to high demand. So $167, it looked like $3, something like that, to get from my place up to Kia here. So gave the guy the part, and he went out right now, and they're going to install it, and fingers crossed, everything's works and everything starts, and we'll get the car back. So I'll let you guys know. All right, I am back now. Car's up, it's running, everything's running great. They did a good job. Got a car wash and a vacuum, courtesy car wash and vacuum from them. The bill itself, let me see, they had to hook the computer back up to it, make sure everything was running good, and they had to zero out the system, what he told me. So that was another 1,050 pesos. And then they gave me the bill, and what they told me was there is a, let me see, I gotta read it here. It's called a surcharge. A surcharge owner's parts. In other words, they charge me to bring in my own parts and have my parts installed on the car. And I said, well, you're charging me to install my parts because you didn't have a part for it. Anyways, they charged me, let me see, $375 for that. Yes, 375 pesos for them to put my part I brought in on my car. Anyways, the whole entire bill came to 1,425 pesos. That's roughly, right around $30 for everything. So, but the car's running, everything's good. Got a free car wash and a free vacuum out of it. So anyways, we're good to go, and good deal. Finally. I'll tell you what, I mean, can you live without a car here? Yes. Do you need a car here? No. But it makes it easier, makes it more convenient for, you know, like us with the store and everything. So anyways, that is the outcome of the car, and I don't know what I'm doing. Let's over at the store. Hannah Grace is here. Her friend's here. They haven't played together in a while because her friend's been away. So kids are playing, and I'm a happy camper right now.